Hello everyone, my name is Raihanur Hakim from Statistics Study Program. So, in this occasion, I will explain my opinion about online gambling. Online gambling has become a big challenge faced by Indonesia. In Indonesia, the number of online gambling players has reached 2.7 billion people. Even worse, those who are addicted to playing online gambling are teenagers aged 17 to 20 years. Not only teenagers, underage children, housewives, and even heads of families are also victims of the online gambling. And here, I will also convey a very sad information that I get, namely, many of the community representatives who occupy official seats, or what I mean is that many members of the DPR and DPRD also play online gambling. The total losses incurred by Indonesia from online gambling transaction have reached 327 trillion rupiah in 2023. In 2024, the first quarter has reached a loss of 100 trillion rupiah. Therefore, what if gambling is legalized and held directly by the state? If any of you have heard of this, here I will explain the pros and cons if Indonesia legalized gambling. On the pro sides, the legality of gambling can boost the country economy by being a significant source of revenue through taxes. The state can impose high taxes and the gambling industry, which can be used for infrastructure development, education, and health. Next, by legalizing gambling, there will be many new job opportunities in the sector, from casino work to administrative and security staff. It can also attract foreign investors who are interested in opening casino and other entertainment centers in Indonesia. In terms of security, by legalizing gambling, the government can regulate and supervise the industry, thus reducing uncontrolled illegal gambling activities. Consumers can be protected with strict regulation, avoiding fraud and unfair practice that often occur in illegal gambling. Good regulation can help prevent the use of casinos and other gambling venues for money laundering. The legality of gambling can reduce crimes related to illegal gambling, such as extortion and violence. Casino and gambling resorts can be a significant tourist attraction, attracting domestic and international tourists. A thriving tourism industry can boost a local economy, creating more jobs and business opportunities. As promising as the pros of legalizing gambling, many seems there are also many cons. Legalizing gambling can increase the number of people who are addicted to gambling, which can damage their personal and family lives. Gambling addiction often leads to family problems, include divorce, domestic violence, and financial instability. People addicted to gambling often spend all their money on gambling, which can lead to poverty and homelessness. The majority of Indonesian population is Muslim, which prohibits gambling, so legalizing gambling could be considered against the religion and cultural value of the community. The existence of gambling venues can lead to the erosion of moral value in society. By teaching that it is acceptable to seek instant and speculative gains, gambling can cause economic instability in individuals, especially for those who are unable to control their gambling habits. Money spent on gambling can be considered an unproductive and expenditure that could have been allocated to other more important needs such as education, health, and investment. The government has to incur significant costs to supervise and enforce regulation in the gambling industry, which could be disproportionate to the revenue earned. For myself, I prefer to reject the legalizing of gambling because, in my opinion, there are many negative impacts that will be caused. If you think why country the legalizing gambling are very advanced, that is a thinking error that you have experienced. It is the developed country that is the cause of legalizing gambling in that country. It is not because of the legalizing of gambling makes their country advance. Gambling is a big profit, but the cost is also big. Legalizing gambling must also be balanced with education about gambling. That's why country that legalizing gambling, most of the people are not addicted to gambling because education and countermeasures have been allocated. Maybe that's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.